Hello dear, welcome to my YouTube channel CAD with Zaid. I hope you are doing well. In this video, we'll learn how to set our limits. Limits is like a boundary, the boundary in which we do our work. The AutoCAD have a very biggest boundary, so we work in only smallest area. So we set our limits first, and then we work on within this boundary. So we go on a drawing, click on this plus button. The drawing are open. There is two method of set limits. First one is this: go format tab and you see drawing limits. When you click on it, you see here he asking specify lower left corner. The lower left corner is this. This is 00, and simply you click on enter button and you see the specify upper right corner he asking, and you set your limits according to your drawings. And for example, we set it 5000 and comma 5000, and also click enter button, and you see here the your limits are set. The second method to set a limit, you simply draw a limit in command bar and enter. You see he asking the lower left corner, enter, and specific upper right corner. We set limits already, so you see here 5000 and 5000. That is the simple method to set a limits of any work, any drawing.